Schools. Introduction. There are schools all around the world. There are big schools and little schools, new schools and old schools. Is your school big or little? Is your school new or old? Now, read and discover more about schools. Chapter 1. Let's go to school. All around the world, students go to school. Some students walk to school, and some go by bus or by train. Some students go by bicycle, and some go by car. These students are in the USA. They go to school by bus. In the snow in Canada, some students go to school by sled. In India, some students go to school by rickshaw. How do you go to school? Chapter 2. Buildings. Let's look at school buildings around the world. This school is in Australia. It's in the countryside. It's a little school, but many schools in Australia are big. Here is a big school in a city. Many students go to this school. It has a big school playground. This school is in South Korea. For these students in Nepal, the countryside is their school. Chapter 3. At school. These students are at school. They meet their friends. They talk and they are happy. Listen, that's the bell. Let's go to the classroom. The students stand in the hallway by the door. The teacher says, "Hello, everyone." These students have books and notebooks. Can you see them? No, you can't. They are in their bags. One school in China is in a cave. Chapter 4. In Class. In the classroom, the teacher says, "Sit down, please. Open your English books." It's an English class. The teacher has a picture. She says, "What's this?" One student says, "It's a giraffe." Put up your hand when you want to speak in class. In some classes, students have computers. Do you have computers in your classroom? In physical education classes, students run, jump, and play. These girls play basketball in their physical education classes. Chapter 5. Lunchtime. At lunchtime, these students go to the cafeteria. The lunch lady gives them food. She puts their food on a plate. The students put their plate on a tray and say, "Thank you." The students sit down and eat. They talk to their friends. How are you? What's your favorite soccer team? Do you have a computer? One school in Cambodia is a boat. The cafeteria is a boat too. Chapter 6. Uniform. These students in China wear a uniform. The girls wear red pants and the boys wear black pants. Everyone wears a white shirt and a red tie. Students don't wear a uniform in every school in China. These students in Peru wear a uniform too. Everyone wears a purple sweater and a white shirt. The girls wear a gray skirt and the boys wear gray pants. Students don't wear a uniform in every school in Peru. Do you wear a uniform? These students in Japan wear a hard hat. Their school is near a volcano. Chapter 7. Free Time. Students have free time in the day. They run in the school playground or they talk to their friends. Some students play soccer or basketball. These boys and girls play soccer in their free time. Students have free time after school too. In some schools, there's a garden. There are flowers and vegetables in the garden. Students help in the garden after school. In some schools, there's a band. Students play in the band after school. Chapter 8. School Trips. Students like school trips. On these days, students don't go to school. They go with their teacher to a zoo or a museum. The zoo is a favorite school trip for many students. They can see animals and learn about them. These students can see an otter. Museums are a good school trip too. These students are in a great museum. The museum has a dinosaur skeleton. Students go on great school trips, and they learn many new things. They learn many new things with their teachers at school too. Thank you, teachers.